Need to insert a table into a Word document from C#, but you would rather not wrestle with Office Interop? With Spire.Doc for .NET, you can build and fully style tables in just a few lines of code. First, create a document and add a section. Calling section.addTable, true, creates the table and reserves a header row automatically. Reset cells, 4, 3, sizes it to 4 rows and 3 columns. We then fill the header row, and loop over our data array to populate each cell with table rows, our cells, C. Finally, save to a Word file. Now let us make it look professional. Load the document and grab the first table. Apply style drops in a complete built-in Word look with a single call. We shade the header row gray for emphasis, then fine-tune the right border type, width, and color. Save, and you have a polished table. In the real world, you rarely type data by hand. Here, getOrders returns a data table from anywhere, a database, a CSV, or an API. We set the table to span the full page width, then loop the rows, calling addRow for each record and writing every field into a cell. That is data binding in a handful of lines. The table class is Spire.Doc's model for a Word table. You create one with section.addTable, true, which also reserves a header row. From there, rows and cells give you full access to every cell. Apply style drops in a built-in look, format borders styles each edge, and preferred width controls how wide the table grows. Preferred width decides how a table sizes itself. Width type auto lets Word pick the best fit, percentage stretches the table across a share of the page, like 100% for full width, and fixed locks an exact size. You can apply it to the whole table or to a single column. With Spire.Doc you get a fully standalone Word engine, one-line table styling with built-in themes, and effortless data binding from any data table, all with no Microsoft Office required. Ready to build Word tables from C#? Install Spire.Doc from NuGet and start generating documents in minutes. Visit E-iceblue.com for the full API reference and free code samples.